Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into designing an Airtable form for efficient data collection, your 2025 guide for success. Our first step is creating a new form view. In your Airtable base, click on the Add View button and select Form. This helps us because it sets the groundwork for our customized data collection tool. Now that we've done that, let's move to customizing the fields. Click on the plus sign to add fields and choose the type that suits your needs. The reason we do this is to effectively capture the specific kinds of data you need, whether it's checkboxes, multiple choice, or text fields. Next up is the design aspect. On the right, you'll see a palette icon. Click on it to access design options like color themes and custom logos. This step is important as it allows you to maintain a consistent branding in your form. We're almost there. The next step is configuring the form settings. Tap on the gear icon on the top right to adjust settings like the success message and whether to allow multiple submissions. This step ensures your form behaves exactly how you want once it's filled out. Lastly, it's time to share your form. Hit the Share Form link at the top, and you'll receive a unique URL. Now you can distribute this link to your audience for data collection. And that's it. You've successfully designed an Airtable form for data collection, an essential skill for efficient data management in 2025. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the power of data is in your hands.